Hello everyone, welcome to another Delta Fixes video. If you can't tell already, I'm already midway through filming the iPhone 8 video. It's currently charging and I'm gonna finish that video in a minute. Daniel is on the phone and he's trying to shout very loudly. Say hello, Daniel.
Hello.
Since you can't go without having attention for 5 minutes, and this video is basically just gonna be a time lapse of me swapping boards. Yeah, Daniel's here. So this one is a working AMOLED. Oh, that's my email. Stop playing Horrid Henry! Oh my god, you're so annoying. Okay, so this is a working OLED with a donor board in it. It's got a smashed up back and it's missing its camera lens. This back is significantly more f***ed looking, however it has its camera lens. And this is my old personal S7. The OLED is completely shattered, and today I'm going to be swapping my board into this one. However, there might be a bit of a complication as there was two boards I had and I don't know which one this is, and we're just going to hope and pray that it's mine. So let's take the back off. This one's got no adhesive, so this one shouldn't be a problem. This one, however, this one's never been removed before, which means heat is required. I'm just going to move... Oh my god, shut up. Okay, I'm just gonna heat this up.
I'm all about that bass, bass. Work it, make it, do it, make sense. Bass, all about that bass, bass, harder, better, faster, stronger. About that bass, bass. Work it, harder, make it better, do it faster, make sense, stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, make sense, stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, make sense, stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, make sense, stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, make sense, stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, make sense, stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Because you know I'm all...
Okay, so I'm separating the glass now. This is going to be hellish because I've done this before and I know just how quickly the glass just shatters everywhere. We've got a bit of shattering, but not much more than there already was, honestly. Well, okay, we're done. Yes! Okay, we've almost completely got this back off. However, I don't really care too much about this one side because, oh god, there's gold paint everywhere. I forgot that these things basically had like no coating on them in terms of paint. Either way, that glass can f*** off. Bear with me, it's about to be loud. Ah! Okay, I just hoovered up some shit, so we can now continue with the repair.
About that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, I see the magazine, working out Photoshop. We know that shit ain't real, come on now make it stop. If you got beauty, just raise them up. Cause every inch of you is perfect, from the bottom to the top. You is working on the make it better, do it faster, make sense, stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Working on the make it better, do it faster, make sense, stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Working on the make it better, do it faster, make sense, stronger.
Okay, I'm going to turn this thing off now because now that I know the OLED survived being taken apart, it should survive the rest of the surgery, absolutely no problem, honestly. Oh, f***. Oh well, I just broke something. However, it's something I have a replacement for, so I really don't give a shit. The S7 in here has a really tinny speaker, so I literally took 2 of the screws out and then ripped the rest of it out because I don't plan on using it. My board. This is my board, everyone. Give it a good snog. Hey, S7's turning on. S7's turning on.
Don't record it then.
You'll see it on video. Hold on. Okay, let's see if this is my S7. This is the part where it's not even my f***ing S7. Oh, fuck's sake. The wrong f***ing board. God damn it. This is the wrong bloody board. However, it's nice to know that I now have 2 working S7s if I want to restore them. I'm gonna go grab my other board. Okay, so I found the correct board and it looks to have sustained a tiny bit of damage, so I'm absolutely f***ing myself putting this back in. I'm gonna do this bit off camera because I am very scared. Okay, let's power it on. I'm very scared. Oh my god! Oh, holy shit! Thank oh, thank this thing's been dead for 2 years, and now it works, I think. Ah! It's got my lock screen! Oh my god! Everything is here! Oh my gosh! Ah! Look at this! It must think it's 9th of August 2021, because I think that was the last time I turned it on properly. I'm relieved as shit. Okay, I'm gonna put this thing back together. This is a massive win for me. Oh my god, I've been waiting 2 years to fix this. Let's power you down and hope it's not the last time. Woo! Hey, oh no, the vibrate, Daniel! The f*** just vibrated. This thing's just done something that it couldn't do when I first got it. This is my longest standing repair apart from the Sony M2. That's how long I've been waiting to do this repair. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and whatever. I don't really care. Daniel, stop being my outro!